how to use Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using Outlook and using the Copilot AI within Microsoft Outlook. Whether we like it or not, Microsoft Outlook is still one of the most used apps today, and we still can't get away from all those important emails. So it's time for us to optimize our email writing inside of our Outlook and optimize it using Copilot. So Microsoft Copilot is the new digital AI tool that is integrated directly within the system of Microsoft 365. And you can manage your day easily with a tool like Copilot. And with Copilot inside of Outlook, that truly does mean that we can be productive all day and we have an easy way of accomplishing all of our tasks. So let's jump right in. Now, to get started, we're going to take a look at how we can draft emails using Copilot within Outlook. So when it comes to using Outlook, you're going to be spending a lot of time writing up emails, and it would just be great if you have an AI tool right there that can help you in writing your emails for you. So for that, we're going to go into Outlook first, and once we open up Outlook in Microsoft 365, so this is what our Outlook inbox looks like. Now on the top left, we have the ability to send out new emails, and with our writing assistant over here, it certainly will be easier to do so. So we're going to click on new email, and once you click on new email, you can type in who you want to send this email to as well. And once you do that, you can also add a CC, you can add a subject over here as well. Now, when you're typing out emails directly over here, instead of having to manually write everything, you will see on the top right, you even have loop components that you can integrate. Or whenever you're opening a new email message, all you have to do is click on the /forward key to open up a submenu and select a draft with Copilot in the dialog. And then we can just give Copilot the information on what we need to generate, what the email is about, and that is all you have to do. So if we are typing out any type of email, we're going to go into the editor. You can see on the right, you have the options to customize your editor. But first, we're going to go ahead, search for Copilot over here, open that up in Outlook. And once you have everything opened up all together, we can go back into our mail, and in our mailbox over here, we can make sure that we're sending out mails timely. So I have multiple different open projects. We're going to have to close some of these up. And after that, we're just going to, we can type in / to insert different elements. We can also use the editor to see any type of errors that we are making. You can see on the right, you also have different ways you can insert, multiple elements within that. Now, another really important thing to note is that whenever you are using Copilot in your browser, or when you're using Outlook in your browser, it's going to be very different from Outlook in your actual application. So this is a educational account. If we sign on to a normal account, Outlook and using Microsoft Copilot is going to look different for you. So I will sign on to a personal account here to show you guys the major differences you're going to see in using Outlook and Copilot together. So you will see over here, this is what our regular email is going to look like. You can type in new email, and then you can type in /, and then from here you can give different commands as well. You will see you will have a from address, so you can search for your address over here. You can type in any person you want to send this to. You will also see within Microsoft, you have the ability to add Copilot for sales as well as for services. If you search for applications on the left, you would be able to integrate your choice of application over here. Now, you can also reply to emails with Copilot. So you have suggested replies that are ready to be drafted by Copilot. And we're going to have to go for one of our older emails. So we're going to have to log back into our educational one simply because we have more mail in that. And we can actually demonstrate our Outlook efficiency with Copilot over here. But whenever you receive any type of email, you can see you have the option to reply. And when you click on reply over here, you have the ability to, type out the email. On the bottom, you can view the entire email as well. So you can type in your content once you have your content ready. You will even see on the top, you have the ability to format, you have multiple different options. You can request delivery receipt, read receipts, you have a home panel as well. Now, within Copilot, make sure that you are integrating Copilot into multiple different elements. So to make this easier, you can even go into Copilot's separate application. You can keep, two tabs. And once we go into Copilot, we can click on New Chat and we can draft an email for me like this. And we can chat with Copilot directly over here. And then you can just, ask or provide it with the files or the necessary information so it can create your responses for you. Now, one other thing is that you have to be sure that you have the number of credits you have on Copilot are efficient or valid, because with Copilot, you have a number of free credits on their free version. And then after that, for certain upgrades, for certain capabilities, you're going to have to upgrade. And you will see that Copilot does do a lot. So you guys can see here, it has drafted an email for us. And now we can go back into Outlook. And once we go back into Outlook, we can proceed with the Copilot drafted email. So we can proceed on over here and we can attach our reply from Copilot to our actual Outlook application. Not only can you draft emails and send out replies, but you can keep up to date using Copilot. And when you're searching your inbox, you can also use Copilot and you can ask Copilot for the latest updates on a particular person. So you can ask it to provide you with information about a certain person whenever you are searching in Copilot. So from here, we can click on search folder, we can create new search folders and, ask it accordingly. You can even see in your inbox, you have selections, you have read, unread, and then different ways you can mark your emails. Again, you also have the ability to do this separately. So if you are going through, all of your emails, you can choose to find a certain person and then use Copilot and go into advanced actions. And then you customize your actions and find all of your conversations with that particular person. And this is how you can use Copilot with Outlook to, boost your productivity, boost your efficiency. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video.